Faithful house and mommy's vlogs, vlogs, vlogs. Faithful house and mommy's vlogs, vlogs.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am Mommy J and this is Face Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. If you landed on this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. In this video, we do a lot of cooking, we do fashion, we do funny vlogs. I am a makeup artist as well. We do a lot of content on this channel. So if this is something you are interested in, come join the fam. What are you waiting for? Click that like button and subscribe to the channel. So this morning I decided to make some breakfast for the children and myself. So I only eat like a little bit at a time. So I probably would have maybe one little pancake, a little bit of egg, and some bacon, as you all see. I have a client today, so I got to get ready for that as well. My client called me and was telling me that her photographer canceled her, and this was like the day before her photo shoot. Now mind you, she is pregnant, and I felt so bad for her because mind you, we had like a little rainstorm here in Jersey, and it was saying there were like a lot of flood warnings going on. So I was thinking maybe she may have to postpone her photo shoot. So she called me back that night and said they found another photographer. So I was really happy. So here's the breakfast that I made, y'all. Some pancakes, some bacon, and some eggs and cheese. Something real quick and simple to hold me, till I do my my makeup client, and also for the kids so they can be already fed. I didn't have no more coffee in my house, so I had to run out the house looking like this. And this is one of my favorite little gas stations I go to when I drop Faith off to school. Honey, it's nice and clean, nice and neat, and I got me a cup of coffee, honey, because I was on empty in my house. So I did that. I had to really put my little ingredients in it and make it have that oomph. It wasn't a Dunkin' Donuts, it wasn't a Starbucks, baby, but I made it do what it do, and I was running. I like to be at least 15 minutes early for my clients, so I made that coffee work, honey. I mixed it, all the little ingredients. I got me some French vanilla. I got me some butter pecan, honey. I made it do what it do. It was really, 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 really good. I'll put my foot in it, okay? So now I had to run back home, jump in the shower, and get freshened up and get dressed and head back out and get ready for my client, okay? So let me grab my coffee and head back to the house. The kids was like, where did you go? Where did you go? I don't know why I'm in this aisle because I don't need nothing for myself. I was just getting some little snacks for the kiddos so they can have some snacks while I'm doing my client, okay? So let me head back to the crib. Let me head back, y'all.
You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why
and mommy